Outside today, just beautiful out there. But on this Thursday, the Colorado State University put out the national forecast for the Atlantic Basin on hurricane season. So let's take a look. They are expecting an above average season with 19 named storms. 9 of the 19 become hurricanes. 4 of those 9 Cat 3 or better, and we'll call those major. Now, the first name of the year will be Alex, followed by Bonnie. Remember, it goes boy, girl, then Colin, Danielle. If you've got a name on the list, we got Tobias this year. How about Gaston from, it is Beauty and the Beast. I almost said Sleeping Beauty. Hermione from Harry Potter. Hermione. I always say Hermione, even Ian. All right, hurricane season 55 days away. Starts on June 1. Clear skies over Calaveras Lake. Nothing but blue this afternoon. Just absolutely gorgeous. As we look into downtown, we've got 77. Look at humidity, 10%. That's incredible. So the atmosphere has 90% of it ready to hold more water. Heading out for Fiesta this evening, looking good, 76 at 7. I would bring a light jacket. If you're going to be out past 10 p.m., you're going to want a light jacket on because it's going to be breezy and it'll cool off quickly once the sun sets, mid-50s by, say, midnight. Now, the wind speeds, we're going to stay breezy because 15 to 20 miles per hour is a pretty good clip, closer to 30 once you go up I-35. Red flag warning continues for today until 8 p.m. where wildfires can spread rapidly with this low humidity. Now, here's one of the things that'll happen, a slow climb on humidity so that by Sunday, Monday, this return flow could even spell out a little bit of patchy drizzle in the morning hours, but we'll start seeing a little bit more cloud cover. See, all this dry air mixing from top to bottom is keeping us mostly clear. Look at this huge upper level low over the Great Lakes. Showed to see yesterday that big counterclockwise rotation. That's what's grabbing Canadian air, Northern Plains air, and spilling it farther and farther south. And that's why tonight it's going to get chilly. We've got some 30s waiting for the hill country on Friday morning. It'll probably be Kerrville, Comfort, maybe Bernie, 38 or 39 for sure. We go to about 43. And then a really good-looking Friday for Battle of Flowers. Keep in mind that you're going to need a light jacket for the Battle of Flowers parade. I don't think I've ever said that. I mean, it's usually just so hot. But the high tomorrow is only going to reach about 81. The parade will be long over by then. Remember, it starts at 9:30 tomorrow morning. So you'll need a light jacket for the start of that parade for sure. All right, 7-day forecast and some much needed rain chances. From the Pearl, we've got 43 to 44 tomorrow morning, then 81. Then we'll stay in the 40s again Saturday morning, 86. And notice we'll hold right around the mid-80s as we bring in rain chances. It's looking like Monday night and Tuesday night into Wednesday morning are going to be the best chances of some much needed rain. Alana, you ready for Battle of Flowers? Tomorrow's the big parade.
It is, and don't forget about that new route, so don't go.